Hello class 6. So our another chapter is chapter 5, working with worksheets in MS Excel 2013. So you can see in your screen the topics are how to delete and insert cell, copying the moving and content. So in our previous class you have learned MS Excel. So basically MS Excel is a spreadsheet software from the MS Office application. It is one of the most popular software applications of all times. It is a combination of rows and columns used to store data in a continuity. So you can see in your screen I have written some data. You can see first name, last name. So if you wanted to insert cell or column or rows, how we can? So you can see it is in cells group. So which tab? Home tab. In the cells group, insert delete is there. So if you wanted to insert, you can click on the insert. You can see insert sheet columns, insert sheet rows are there. So here one new column has inserted. So this way if you want another column, so go there again, insert columns. So this way another column has inserted. So if you wanted to delete, so you can delete also. Let me write here address. Here age. Okay, now if in between wanted to insert a new row, how you can? So again go to insert. You can see here row. So click. Can you see one row is inserted? So now you can write here. Suppose I have written here row. Let me show how to delete. Okay, can you see the age row is deleted? So this way you can delete also. Delete sheet rows. Can you see the row is also deleted? The new one I have made. So I have deleted both age address also and the name Rohit also. So this way you can insert and delete. So you can right click from your mouse also. This is a shortcut. You can insert rows and columns. If you right click from your mouse, you can see this dialog box appear. So this way you can delete and insert your rows and columns. Now I will show you the orientation. So click select, then in the alignments you can see. So you can apply orientation. It will enhance your worksheet. So can you see it's changed your alignment, the text alignment has changed. You have learned also this one in your previous class 5. I hope you all remember. So now how to cut and paste. So click on cut, so it will cut and it will paste in the selected paste. Can you see it is disappeared from this place and it's appeared in this place which I have selected. So this way you can cut and paste. Can you see it is pasted here? Okay, so this way number also you can copy and paste from one place to another place. So very easily you can move your text to one place